Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create an infographic in the Canva app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Canva app. Here it opens up in the home menu where we have our projects and recent edits. Now we have to tap on the plus icon in the bottom of the screen. And here in this list, we have to scroll to the bottom and find the infographic icon. And by tapping on it, the app is going to create a format in which we can create an infographic. We are going to be presented with some templates from which we can select, and also some styles that we can apply to our infographic. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.